Hi guys, how are you doing? Hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video, which is going to be a Bicester Village come shop with me today. Now I know I haven't really had one of these up too long. I think it was 2 weeks ago maybe since my last one of these went up, but it is, because I'm filming this on the day that I'm doing it, although it is now in the evening, but I went in the morning. It is the day after Boxing Day, so it's the 27th of December today, and I went over to Bicester Village. But first off, if you're new, hi, welcome. My name is Matt, and welcome to my channel. If you like a come shop with me, a haul, too good to go bag, grocery haul, style video occasionally, other vlogs, all that kind of jam, like a Bicester Village haul, Bicester Village like come shop with me and haul at least once a month. I don't know why I did two, but like once a month at least, then you'll definitely want to take a moment to subscribe to my channel. It's free, there's no cost to you. Just click that button down below and ring my bell to be notified when I upload. And sorry about the ring light, it is now 8 o'clock at night, so it's dark. I mean, it gets dark at 4, but you know. But as I was saying, today's video is a come shop with me around Bicester. Now, Bicester Village was open on Boxing Day and today, the day after Boxing Day, at 7 AM. And I got there, you best believe I got there at 7:10. I only live not too far away, so I'm able to get up, go and get there, and it was completely empty at that time for good reason. Now, I don't know about the day before, Boxing Day, it could have been hella busy, but I didn't go on Boxing Day, and from what the sales assistants were saying, it was busy. But I have been on Boxing Day in the past, and it was pretty much the same as it is today, but I will get on to more about that after we do the come shop with me around Bicester Village, and like between 7 and 8:30 today. Yeah, so let's have a look around Bicester Village to see what they have got in the Boxing Day sales, because I like doing Boxing Day sale week. So let's have a look to see what they've got. Here we are at 7 AM on the day after Boxing Day, and look how empty it is. I mean, I'm the only mad person going in at 7 AM. Ted Baker had some wash bags, which are quite a good, Christmas gift, but they're on sale, and the mannequin actually had a really nice jumper on, which was just there, and this jumper was really nice as well. Moving down, see, it's still really not that busy. We went into Burberry. They didn't really, I was literally the only one in there, and they didn't really have much on. They had like 30% off. You spent £700 or more. Dior's windows were lovely. Gucci wise, again, I was like the only one in the shop, and a lot of the items had like full price things these days in there, so it was a bit like, okay. But then I went in Lululemon and tried some things on. I really like these shorts. They were £19, sorry. Really liked those, and I did try on some other ones, and you'll see what I bought in the next video. Tommy Hilfiger, a staple that I go in. I love a bit of Tommy. I didn't buy anything this time, but I was so close to buying something, which I'll show you in a second. This was quite a nice shirt as well. T-shirt wise, this is how much you're looking at for one of their t-shirts, but they also did have some good on sale stuff in here, which I'll show you in a moment. But they had this really nice blue and white striped shirt, if I can show it, that one there, really nice. It's got the little logo in the corner, but this t-shirt here was £12 with that little tiny logo on. Really nice. I restrained, is that the right word, from buying it. But let's go to Hugo Boss, which I don't normally go into, and I was the only one in there again, because it was like 7:30 by this point. Loads of different shirts. Can't remember exactly the price point, because I couldn't even get, I don't know what I was doing, couldn't get the price on that. But this was it, looking rather Christmassy. Next, let's go in Michael Kors, and they still have stuff. I really like this setup, but they still have stuff in there I bought like 4 years ago. There's a shirt in here, I don't show it, but literally I bought it 4 years ago. But yeah, really like the stuff in there. So as I was saying at the beginning of the video, I got there at 7:10 today, so I got up at 6 on a day off. and went over to Bicester to see what they got, because I knew that they were going to have some good deals and stuff. And spoilers, if you stay tuned, the next video, the next one after this, so you definitely want to subscribe, will be a Bicester Village haul, because I did pick up some few things and some gems of some stuff that you will not want to miss. So I'll leave, well, it'll be, if you subscribe, you'll be notified of when that goes live, and ring my bell to be notified of when I go live, so you get it like in your notification thing. But yeah, it was very quiet. It was a bit too quiet to begin with, to be honest. I felt like I didn't really want to go in the shops and like get on the nerves of like the sales associates, sales assistants that had to be there at 7 o'clock, if not, well, they would have to be there before like 6 a.m. in some cases to, you know, set up and everything. I didn't really want to get on their nerves, because I feel like I was being a hindrance, and it is quite bad. Like, I didn't want to go on Boxing Day. One, we were doing family things on Boxing Day, and two, I think that is a bit too much to ask people to get there at that time, mate. I know Boxing Day is going to be exceptionally busy at Bicester. I don't know if it would have been busy at that time in the morning, 7. I have been on to the Boxing Day sales on actual Boxing Day at Bicester before with my mum a few years ago. Probably the one before the pandemic. Maybe not, maybe the one before that. And it was pretty much like it is today, really busy at that time. But like when you got there, it was quiet, and then you like leave. If you leave when I left, which was about probably 8:45 by the time I got in the car and everything, because I did go to one shop that I will tell you about in the haul, so stay tuned for that. It took a bit of time to get an item that I saw and bought in the end. But yeah, if you left at like that time, the car park was filling up. There was still spaces, like someone wanted to get to my space, even though if they drove a little bit further down the thing, there was spaces aplenty. I don't know why, but people be like that in Bicester Village, and they probably would have been starting to open the park and ride at that point. I don't know how busy the multi-story is, because I never park in the multi-stories before. I used to be advocate of go park in the multi-story, then you could start at that end and go to the other. That was before the new bit was open, which is Ralph Lauren end, and that side I'm now advocate of park there. You quickest to get out. Like no one really goes down that far, and if you go early enough, you're guaranteed space. Well, you're guaranteed space anywhere if you go early enough, because I get there for doors opening, even though I was 10 minutes late today, but 7:10 is still pretty early. Yeah, you're guaranteed like a good place around there, and then you can start at Ralph Lauren end, walk all the way down, walk all the way back, and then you're good to pop off back, and then you can go out they've got like a secret, I say secret, they've got a quick exit from the car park from that end back to like the main roundabout where like Tesco's and stuff is, and the Starbucks drive-through. So it's a really good place if you just want to leave quite quickly. I have like my particular parking space that I go in because I get there early. It's I can just drive through, park up, walk into Ralph Lauren end. There's toilets there if you need to go to the toilet before you leave. They're right at the end and everything, so it's a really good place. I think the best place to park, top tip, is that end. They used to, like by Valet used to be smaller, but now since the apartments opened and everything, it's a bit bigger. But in terms of stuff, where did I go? They had very few items. Ted Baker had quite a few empty bits on their shelves. I think somewhere else did as well. Can't remember off the top of my head. Like there was places where, you know, you could have seen it was Boxing Day the day before. I was a bit wary in my head on the way there, like, are they going to have everything? Are they going to still have stock? They obviously do. They know, they've done this plenty of time. Boxing Day sales and the next day, they need obviously to have stock available for the next days. I was planning, because before Christmas I did see, I think I put it in my come shop with me before Christmas, this scarf from Ted Baker that's got Ted Baker written on it in like big logo. I know that's kind of like a trend. You got like the Burberry one, the Acne one, all doing that. They didn't have it this time. They probably sold out of it. It was a really good gift for Christmas. And then I did reflect on myself and like, I was going to buy it if they had it there, because it was £31, which is quite a lot for a scarf. And it was really thick. But then at the end of the day, I don't wear scarves that often, so I didn't really need it anyway. Reflecting on it, which is what I did from the time I went before Christmas, reflected on it, I was like, I don't need it, I can always buy it online, because they had it online at the same price. They don't have that one on anymore online, but they have it in a different colourway. So the sale on the actual Ted Baker website is the same as the one in store, but there we go. But yeah, other than that, some of the stores, I didn't go in every store because, as I said, it was really quiet, and like filming and stuff was really quiet. So I had to be kind of on the down low, and I didn't really want to be kicked out of any places, because I know they are hot on stuff for filming in there, especially in the like more higher end stores, because like Gucci I could get in. I didn't go straight away into Gucci. I didn't bother going in Prada because I know they never normally have anything of interest for me anyway, to be honest. And yeah, but if you want to see a haul from Bicester Village, then definitely come back. It's probably going up on Sunday, so definitely come back on Sunday and you'll see what I bought. I went to I picked up stuff in 3 places, so it's definitely worth coming back to watch that. Definitely take a moment to subscribe. It's free, there's no cost to you. Ring my bell to be notified of when I upload, especially if you do like a Bicester Village haul. As I said at the beginning, we do one of these at least once a month, because it's not that far from me and I can just go and get some good footage. We also do other come shop with me's, normally Primark, Zara and H&M once a month as well, and hauls if I buy anything from those places as well as other come shop with me's from like a whole other places, like we've done Selfridges, we've done Liberty at Christmas, all of that kind of stuff. We do other stores, we do home stores sometimes, like Home Sense, Home Bargains, B&M and things. So if that is your jam, definitely take a moment to subscribe. And we do like lots of charity shop content, other hauls, other vlogs, other style videos like grocery hauls, Too Good To Go bags and all that kind of jam. So if that is your jam, definitely take a moment to subscribe. As I said, it's free, no cost to you. Ring my bell to be notified of when I upload, and also follow my Instagrams, which are always linked down below. They're just down there for you to go have a look at. But yeah, other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. This is my... Actually, I did film a what I got for Christmas before, but if you've not seen that, check that out. And I hope you all had a good Christmas if you celebrate and had a good time with family and friends. And then I think the next video will be in the new year. So yeah, I shall see you in the next one, which will be the Bicester Village haul. Bye.